What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to show you how to place text behind images and objects in Snappa. This is a great way to add depth and a cool finishing touch to your design. Let's jump right in. To start off, head over to Snappa and log in. Just to give you guys a heads up, today's tutorial will require one of the features on our Pro plan. So once you're logged in, you're going to want to open a graphic. You can choose a design from one of our templates, or you can create a design from scratch, which is what we'll do today. Now that your canvas is open, start by finding a photo with a nice background and a clear subject in the foreground. If you click on the Graphics tab, you can search through millions of photos from our stock image library. Here's a good photo of a dog we can use. I'll click on it to add it to my canvas, and I'll increase its size to fill up the frame. Now with the photo still selected, I'm going to copy and paste it on my canvas to duplicate it. Then I'll select the duplicate and click the Remove Image Background button. After a few seconds, the background will be removed from the duplicate, and we'll be left with just the dog on top of the original image. Now let's leave that for now and add some text. You can click on the Text tab, select a heading, and then double-click the text box to type in it. You can also use the tools on the left to customize your text further, like changing the color, size, and the font. Once everything looks good, make sure that your text box is still selected and click the Move Layer Back button to position the text box behind the dog. You can now make any reposition adjustments and make sure to switch between layers if needed. And there we go. In just a few minutes, you've created a professional-looking design with text layered behind the subject. Just make sure to save and download your design before exiting out of Snappa. This process works great for thumbnails and social media posts of any kind, especially if you want to add extra depth to your design. Well, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you learned something new, remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.